American Social Security payment to cover like rent, grocery, and healthcare April 2026 so different. The Social Security Administration the officially confirmed the first round this payment will be begin April 1st. But here the something important, not everyone gets paid April this date. April 1st is reserved to specifically supplemental security income also known as SSI. So if you're expecting a payment, the amount you can receive depending on eligibility and income live living situation. In this video, I will break down how much SSI pay in April 2026, who qualify for the highest amount and why some people receive less than other. And make sure you watch till the end because one detail can explain why your payment is lower than expected. Let's start it with the average payment. In April 2026, the average SSI research receives about $735 per month. This number gives your general ideas what most people are getting, but it's not a maximum. Your actually payment could be higher, lower depending your financial situation. SSI is designed for the people with limited income. So if you're more income and support you have, the lower your payment may be. Still, even average payment will make huge difference when it's come on covering basic needs. But what if you qualify for the maximum benefit? Let's look those number next. Here the maximum SSI payment April 2026 an individual can be received up to $994 per month. Couples can be received up to $1,491 per month. And someone who provide necessary care receiving up to $498. This is highest possible amount. Not everyone qualify for them. To receive their maximum, you must be very limited income and resources. Even a small changes your financial situation can be reduced your benefit amount. So if your payment is lower than its maximum, does not mean something is wrong. It simply reflects your personal circulation. Now let's talk about who actually gets paid on April 1st. April 1st, 2026 payment are actually SSI receipts. If you receive a supplemental security income, your payment will be set on the date. But if you receive traditional social security benefit like retirement and survival payment who don't paid on April 1st, your payment will be follow a different schedule based your birth date. Then we biggest reason people get confused and they expect a payment on April 1st. Don't see you think something is wrong, but in most case simply because they are different schedule. Understanding which category you fall into the key, knowing that you reject payment date. Social security payment dates. If you not receiving SSI, your payment will be arrived later in April. If your birthday fall between the 1st and 10th, will be paid on April 8th. If your birthday is between the 11th and 20th, your payment will be come on April 15th. And if your birthday is after the 20th, you can receive your payment is April 2022. And so don't worry, you can pay on April 1st. Your payment will simple, actually different date. Thanks for watching this video.